Why is my thing so foul though? Hi. I just had to log out and again due to the sound was not working. Let's check now for the sound. Testing sound. Let's check now for the sound. Okay, perfect. Alright, so we are now waiting for price to move back before we enter. Here we go. Here we go. Okay, we're so ready to take an entry. Thank you, Lyndon. Right, so we're seeing a beautiful pullback coming. As I said, I'm waiting for that bearish candle to close or to reject off in our demand zone right at 3330. Once we once price come down with this red candle coming down and tapping in here, I will enter. Okay, it's coming together. I needed to break right there or to come back and enter. Then we will enter around 3328, 3329, or 3330 as soon as it taps into our zone. And that looks like a beautiful pullback now, just before 7. Patience, patience, patience. I just want to check something. If you're going to enter around here, your stop loss will have to be at least. Yeah, this is a big stop loss. That's why I want to wait for price to be at least around 33, sama 33, 3330. 3330 is just here. That's still a lot. Soon as it breaks into our, but it has to come inside of our zone for me to enter. This is looking so weird now. But just notice how price will come back soon. Quick. Yes, it looks like it doesn't want to come down to this area. But I'm telling you, this 15-minute candle has not closed yet. This is actually a good gap also. It's making a nice gap here now. That's what I'm noticing. So if you want to get in here, you stop less a bit high, but let's see. It's damn high. I do think, let me just take this away. Just 15 minutes. But I still want to come down to follow this gap in some way. Okay, let's see. I think but gold wants to continue bullies now. It's a 4 minutes before 7. Let's see what the markets is saying to us here. I'm actually waiting for price to pull back a bit before we can enter around here. As you can see, this pullback, I really thought that price will come back lower. Now let's be patient and see. Gold is overall bullish. So structure was broken. Price came up. Coming back. Let's see. Drawdown. However, I do think these weeks are looking good, so I think that price wants to continue going up now. Yeah, but according to my entry strategy, I just need to see a bearish candle coming down. Oops, coming down here. That's reject and then continue up. So let's see. It's 2 more minutes for this candle to close. So let's see what it's gonna do though. Hi! Welcome back. Thank you so much. Thank you. I am back from a long break. I took a long break, 3 weeks. It's good to be back. It's good to be back. Um, yeah. So we continue. Oh, so I entered the position right here, but as you can see, it's a smaller lot size there. Once it broke that, I entered there, and if it comes below this now, I'll close that positions. But my initial entry is actually here at my zone, and I'm waiting for price to hit my zone though. So we will see what happens now. We'll see. We'll see. That demand zone is still holding, so Price never came back to my demand zone to retest, but gold is strongly bullish, and I think it wants to continue going up to 3350.5. I have it marked off here. You can see we have a break in structure there. We saw like strong bullish momentum. We saw strong bullish momentum broke out this afternoon during New York session. And then this was a major key area here that I have this dark horizontal line. Now this is where I placed off this entry. This entry is of this high broken, came back, retest, but also rejection that we're noticing. So this was an aggressive entry just when the candle broke, and my stop loss for that entry is actually just below right here. However, like I said, I am actually waiting for price to pull back. I want price to pull back. This is a 15-minute. The bearish candle to come back to 330.5. Right here. Okay. Let's see. Let's see. It's moving now, strongly bullish now. Sure, it's actually moving now. Now you could have taken this based on a 5-minute. This is a 5-minute demand zone, right? You could have taken this trade and then just enter once it based when price came broke this highs here. So this is where I entered these positions, and then you needed to have your stop loss around the structure point. But then for me, I based this zone off my 15-minute. This bullish candle here. I've based off my entry on this candle here. So you can see price came a bit down, never touched the zone, and this was based on this high here. Came back again, and now it's continuing up, and I'm up in a bit of profits there now. Okay, so that entry, it wasn't a good entry, I would say, but because I'm targeting this area here, I'm willing to risk it. But if price comes down and break this low, I will close that trade. Okay, let's see how far it will go. You see it just hit 7 p.m. So I expect momentum to come in strong. Here we go. There we go. There we go. Let's go. Let's go. It's about to break that high there as well. So once it breaks the high, I think it's going to continue. But let's wait and see. It's not tricky now. See how it just shot up and down. Let's see what price wants to do. Gold is overall bullish now. For this morning, there was a sell bearish before London session, but then After London session, price started breaking highs, continuing going up. So we're seeing a strong momentum to the upside on gold. Let's move, let's move. Okay, look where that candle now closed. Let me just check back. So you see, on the 15 minute, that's why I like watching it on the 15 minute. Because you it looks like on the 5 minute it broke and it closed above, right? Not yet. Because these 15 minute is still being those highs here are still being respected. So I still do think price wants to come down. Once it retests here, it's a stronger confirmation to get in once it comes back and retest instead of just getting in there now. So yeah, I'm just waiting now for it because my initial entry is here, around here. So let's see. So I'm expecting it to pull back a bit. Let's go. Let's see on the 5 minute now. Okay, you can see these weeks indication that momentum is pushing down. Sellers is in the market also and it's pushing down the price. So market structure looks great for a buy. However, just the entry is the most important. Getting the entry right. And this is my area of entry 3305, 330.5. All right, I'll have it here. Let's go, let's go. If it comes back to the zone, it will be good for us to enter once it just starts out a zone. It's a strong demand zone. Come on, gold. So if that price drops, we know what to expect. Let's see. It's currently 7 minutes past 7. So I'm currently looking at gold versus the USD on a 5 minute chart. Look how it shot up quick. Like I said, this trade that I'm in here entered around here, just at the break of a candle. Entered around here. Now I do think this is based off, if it plays out, it's based off a 5 minute demand. Now that 5 minute demand will be, your zone will not be here, your zone will be here. And as you can see, it was rejecting off the whole time here. Came back, then it started to bounce. Look at this. It's rejecting, came back into the zone, went up, continued coming back again and never broke this lows and now it's continuing up. So yeah, I don't think it's gonna come back soon. But let's see. I'm waiting for that 15 minute candle to close within 6 minutes. Yeah. 6 minutes for this candle to close now. Then we will see. And it looks good on the 15 minute as well, as you can see. These wicks is rejecting off on this candle's body. It's beautiful. It's actually beautiful. So all we do is follow what we see, follow the momentum, follow the structure. So we notice that breaking structure and it's rejecting off before it continues going up. And we're following the trend, so it's good. Nicely coming down. Need for you to come down. Just watch it. If it breaks this now, it's gonna come down. If it breaks this low body of this candle, it's gonna come down. Just check. 5 minutes for this candle before it will close. That's a 15 minute, and if it doesn't close below that body, we'll see. You see, this is strong break. Still holding structure. So, ooh, let's go, let's go. Let me see. Okay, these people in the group is saying, yeah, sometimes this is trading, waiting for that pullback, waiting for that perfect entry. Okay, 3 more minutes before the 15-minute candle close. This is part of making money on trading, is the waiting. Come on, come on. Get that. Look at that. Look at that. 150, 160. 16, it was 170 now. Let's see. Let's go closer. Sure, look at it. How quick it's just shot down now. And there's like literally 1 minute left for this candle. So let's see what that candle is gonna do. If that candle closes above here, no, above, then it's going to continue going up. And we're targeting 3350. So let's hang in there. See, I'm now up 130. Okay. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. So that first entry, we actually missed the first entry here. And the should have been around here, the entry. But then my rusty reward did not make sense for me to enter around here, because that time these candles were not yet formed. But if you were getting in here now and your stop loss was here, then the rusty reward would make sense. Because I never take my setups where my stop loss is like 40 or 50 pips. Because I'm mostly scalping also in any case. My trades play out within 20, 30 minutes. So I also don't I make use of the small moves in the market. So if the stop loss is also too big, it's no use. A setup can look how good, but if my stop loss is too big, I don't take those kind of setups because risk management is the first priority, and I must always make sure that it makes financially sense to take a setup. With what I mean by that is that I don't risk more than what I'm willing to lose, and I don't risk or I don't lose more money than what I am targeting. So I can't be losing $150 and then I'm only targeting making $50. No, doesn't make sense. So the targets and the exits and the stop loss must make sense according to the risk and reward as well. It's never the same. No setup. Every single setup is different. So you can't always have a fixed lot or fixed stop loss. There's no. It's impossible to have a fixed stop loss or say you always gonna just rest 20 pops. It's dynamic every single setup, but it's different. But you have to be able to read structure and understand where the pullbacks and how far the pullbacks will come. Also create rules around your entries, because for instance, one of my rules are this is my demand zone. This yellow box is my demand zone. Once it taps into the demand zone and it rejects, that's only when I will enter. I will not enter when price is up here, high here. Also, I will not enter before I see a breaking structure. There needs to be a breaking structure before I can. And how I identify breaking structure is very simple, and it's depending on different time frames. That's my aids. Let's see. What are you doing? You see, it's coming down now. Let me just get out of this before I lose too much. So now, if it gets into this, I will enter. I just need also to send a message in the group for the other traders. They know the entry already. I've already sent them the entry 330. But I might just, you see, this was my, it's coming back now. Come on. Beautiful. Let's see this. Look at this. That's a 15-minute candle. You see how the 5 minute was playing now. Never broke there. Come back here so we can get a better. See, even here, it's a better entry here because the stop loss is making sense. Just watch how it's gonna tap into our zone here. Need to tap into the zone. Alright, okay, I like that pullback. It's coming, it's getting. So, this is a tricky part, you know. Would want to wait for it to come back all the way down and retest 3301. 330 around here. But let's see how far it's gonna come. I will enter again once it taps into my zone. You just need to be willing to risk it. But as long as you know where you stop, if you say your stop loss is gonna be there, it's 50, it's 11 pips, right? Your stop loss is gonna be below this week here. Longer week, it's 23 pips. So just make sure you're okay with the risk. But I'm going to enter now here. Once as soon as it hits, I'm gonna enter. All right, I'm about to enter, but then the stop loss. Let me just. Oh, I almost missed it. Damn, that was so quick. That was so quick. Did you see? I almost missed it now. You see, I was just tapped and then it went up. It shot up. I was busy typing, so that was so quick, guys. I'm in. Sure. Should have actually entered right here, but then that was so quick. Let's see. Let's see. I just have to amend my entry. It was around 334. And the stop loss 339. Stop loss will be around. Let's go, gold. Let's go. Okay, you can see how it's. Hi, sorry, man. Sorry, sorry. I think it's because I'm also typing on my phone. I'm sending updates in the other group. My internet should be good because my let me just check my Wi-Fi. Yes, I think the reason why I'm breaking up is because of I'm sending updates in a WhatsApp group to the other traders. You can try to. Are you on my live? I'm also live on YouTube. I'm live on my channel on YouTube as well. We are in the trade now. We took the buy as soon as it hit. I don't know if you missed that part. As soon as it got into this or hit my demand zone this week here, I entered and my stop loss is here by this week, just below this week here. So that will be at 33331.37. I can put it on the. If you can't see it, I can put it on the screen for you. But we're targeting now. First, we're targeting 339, 3342 around here for now. 3342. Okay, let's see. Oops, sorry for those. Let's see. I move my screen now. Okay, so you guys do know I am a scalper, so even though I'm targeting these highs up here, I know for a fact it's late. It's we're trading the end of the New York session. So 3342 is it's almost 90 pips. So we are targeting these highs here. That will be okay for me. Let's see how it goes. Now you notice how per let's look on the 5 minute quick. Okay, that candle closed beautiful. So within 3 minutes this candle will close. I need this candle to close bullish. Let's go gold. I do apologize if the setup is or if my life is going to freeze again now. No, I just need to update everyone also. Let's see. Come on, gold. Look how this thing is spiking though. That candle is spiking like crazy. Okay, let's see now. There's 1 more minute for this candle before it will close. Come on. Now it's the patience to wait for the trade to play out. You see how quick it spiked up now? That is extremely quick. Here we go. Here we go. Wait, let me just delete this now. That candle is about to close in 2 seconds now. Let's check how it closed. Here we go. Okay, this one 300 and I'm done. 300 and I'm done. Come on. What? This thing just closed now. It's fine though. Let me check on my trades on this app here. Oh, I do think it wants to go to 3342. So let's hold on this. Let's go, let's go. Yeah, there it breaks a new high. Starting to break these highs here. So it wants to continue going up. Let me just put my okay, let's take our profits there. Let's wait for it. Look at that beautiful wick. So beautiful. It's showing that the momentum is strongly bullish. Let's go, gold. Let's go. Sure. Look at this. So I had TP1 here, 339. Hasn't hit yet. We're waiting for it to hit TP1, but TP2 is here, 3342. Yes. Let's go. Look at how it's breaking that high now. Pass out TP1. Go, let's go. Let's go, let's go. Oh, and it's moving so crazy now. I love it. The reason why, because this week here was my concern, but the fact that price is now higher than this week. Wait for it. Hold on. Wait for it. Wait for it. Wait for it. Stunning. See, we got in around here. That's now 53 pips. At least 78 pips. Come on. See, it went to 3340 now. You can see on it. So price is currently here 3339, 340. Still moving. Let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go. I can see it's like testing 3340. From here it's heading to 3342 and then I'll be out. Then I'll be out for the night. I'm good for the Monday. Was a good day. I'll be back tomorrow evening between 6 and 7 again. That's when I start the lives. Let's go. It's 15 minutes. There's still a long way to go. I must say though, the spikes are crazy tonight. Oh, sorry. Let's go. It's the patience that you need in for trading. The very patience that brings the money. Stick to the plan though. Hmm. Let's go, let's go. Hmm. Good evening, Troy. Yeah, this is a good setup. The setup is, I mean, let's see what he's doing now. See, it's definitely continuing bullies now. I see why you have it here because it's based on a 5 minute iron. See why you have your zone here. You have it here. So you enter. This is another entry, yes. Like we got it right at the beginning. So our TP1 was here 339. Yeah. TP2 I have for my 3340. Ooh, going crazy out here. I'm good for a Monday though. I just moved it to the 15-minute view so we can check how the structure looks on the 15 minute. It's spiking again. I have 10 minutes before, less than 10 minutes before the 8 p.m., the 1 hour candle closes. It's coming back to retest again. Nah, I'm still bullish. All right, if you don't want to sit in that pool work, you are welcome to close. I'm still holding. This candle is 50 seconds before it closes. Let's see what's gonna happen. There's a strong pullback. Remember, I'm looking at the 5 minute now. It broke this week here, so now I'm a bit. Because what could happen now on that 5 minute it broke that week? This is the 15 minute. Price could now come down. So you can close if you want to close. Price can come all the way down again back to our zone. Like yeah. Actually, we are strongly bullish here. You can see in the 30 minute it is busy reversing. So, however, this is a strong bullish candle. We just see on the 1 hour. So it's now just I don't know. It might want to come back to our zone. Let's see. That's good because that retest might happen now. Might come back to our zone again. It's rejecting off nicely on this area. However, if you check to your left here, this bullish candle hasn't broken this body yet. It's coming down nicely. What is happening here outside? You can see it's still bouncing off. Three more minutes before that 8 o'clock. That was a good trade when we entered around here when this thing came down. Was good. Yes, would have liked it to come to go to my TP2 at 342 tonight still, but I'm not gonna force it though. This was a good trade. Okay, I'm gonna switch off on Instagram. The live, I'm also live on YouTube, so I'm just gonna switch off on Instagram. Let me just see. Let's wait for this 5 minute to close. Then I'll be ending the live on Insta. Wait for it, wait for it. Thank you, Tyron. Have a good evening, you too. Sure, I didn't even see. Let's go gold now. Let me open size on this one. See, this rejection looking super good. That rejection is looking perfect. Let's go. There's still a lot of momentum on the gold. You see there, these rejections off on 15 minute. It's looking still good to me. Now, targeting, yeah. Let's go gold. I do think it wants to tap into my zone first before it continues up. But let's see what it's gonna do. If it tapped the zone, it's still good. Let's see, let's see. What do you wanna do? Gold? Let's go. This was a beautiful setup. You see why I always seven. This was around seven. Then we waited for it to come back. That was that was so good. That push up there. So now it came back again. There's still a little bit. You see there's still a small gap for it to come back. Now this one is closing now. Soon, soon. Oh my gosh! Look at that. That's beautiful. Stunning. Let's go, gold. Look at that push. That's that is spectacular. That's beautiful, gold. Let's go. Now it's just about to push up now. Come on, let's see what you're gonna do. You just need those $300 though. Push up more. It's so beautiful. There we go. At 300 now. Let's go, let's go. Stunning. Let's see. That is so good. It's again there by our TP1. It wants to break that high there. Get that $400. Phew. Oh my gosh. 400. Let's do TP. There I do that same thing again. Shit, man. I closed the trade. I wanted to drag my TP level. It's fine. We were up $500. Finally. Damn, it took a while. And you know what? I wanted to drag the TP area and then I mistakenly pressed close. So I closed the trade. Anyhow, I still made profit, so I'm good. But I do think it wants to continue and reach TP2. Guys, it's now 1 hour and 25 minutes. Going to end the live at half past, so it's 15 minutes time. 15 minutes time. Damn. That was now a good trade, eh? That was a good push up. Let's go, gold. The spikes is insane, eh? You see, you got two chances on this setup to enter. Like I entered now again, was now. It's itching. Yeah, it's true. It's true. That's true. No, I love taking profit. If I'm up, I take profit because, especially because we're trading gold and you know how the spikes goes. I would have a TP1 and TP2, but if I'm at TP1 and I see I'm gonna take some profits, I take some. I had a good Monday. I really made enough profits for this Monday, so I'm good. I will be back tomorrow. Let's check out the 15-minute look quickly. Strong, eh? The bullish candle is still strong. And it's about to close now. It's closing. That's a beautiful close there. Why does it look like my internet is resetting here? What are you doing? So though, thank you for tuning in tonight. I will be back tomorrow. I am now consistently back again after my break. So every Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday, I am live between 6 and 7 CAT time. So let me just see. I will be updating you guys also on my trading results. Let me just see, for the month of April. This is now the 5 minute. Looks good to me though. One has to be so quick for gold. You can't still doubt yourself. You have to just enter one. Like when I saw that break of a candle, I was in. Took my money, I'm out. I think it wants to go to 3341 at least. Still now within this hour. Because if you check here now, this is the next high is around here. Is there. So there's still much room for gold to move, but we also know that after it, we've seen it multiple times what happens after it. Ooh, beautiful. Come on. Give us that last push now. I don't know, ne. I don't know what your opinion is on trading with bots and robots. It's just so good to trade the market with your naked eye. Use your skill to understand the market structure. I could never trade with a bot. Could never use a bot. Maybe in the future I will try something like that, but the skill is so good to have. And to apply it in the markets, it's like a rush. Something really happened there in the road. Let's go! Let's go. No, I can see it from here. Look at that one there. It's far. It's not. I thought it was yours. Let's move before I go off. It's beautiful. Let me just take screenshot of this one here. We didn't bring out water. Oh, what? Water. 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 Let's go. You guys must have a good evening or good afternoon wherever you are. I am about to log off after this candle. This was a good setup, good trade. We will catch some pips on the following live. Let's do this. Let's go. Let's go. And just check now when I log off, then this price action is gonna sort up. Have a good evening or good afternoon, everyone. See you. See you around. See you on the next live. Let's go. Beautiful. Look at that. It's breaking that high again. And this time it's not just gonna test it. This time it's gonna go up. Let's go, let's go. 2 more minutes. This is insane, eh? Now you're talking. Come on, Goldie. Now you're talking. Yes, so beautiful, eh? See, it's 3342, like I said, 3342. Come on. I think it's gonna even pass there now. Oh my gosh. This is insane. Oh my goodness. What? Oh my goodness. I can't deal. This is so good. Let me just take a picture of this. Insane. Insane, guys. What the heck? You see it's heading to 3350. Oh my goodness. Insane. I'm off. See you guys tomorrow evening. This is crazy. This is such a good setup. It went straight and it's still going. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna tune out. I am speechless. That was beautiful gold. And it's still going. This is insane. It's going to my 3350, like I said. This is the target. 3350. I really didn't expect gold to respect these areas tonight. I just want this move to finish, then I end this live. I am so. Oh my word. Crazy. For a man, I didn't expect Kau to be so crazy, to be honest. Now I'm looking forward to this week. I'm so looking forward to this week. Expecting, I'm expecting great setups. All right, let me go. Um, See you guys on the next live. Bye. This is insane. This is how perfect that. This is how perfect the zone also holds. As you can see, it came back to retest the zone like almost 3 times, and then it's starting to set up.